Good morning. So I hope I'm going to catch some of you, at least European time, before you go to work, and try to convince you to use your daily drinks to have an infusion that actually has a medicinal or therapeutic value. And coming to winter, even though it's not very wintry in my back, autumn and winter, we like to warm ourselves a little bit. So this takes less than a minute to prepare. What I have here is green tea, and I'm talking about real green tea. You can see the leaves here. I put about three leaves here. I put about 1 centimeter of fresh ginger, and I put as much as I feel like of goji berries. Most of you know it belongs to the berries family, coming from China. Now it grows in many countries, full of antioxidants. And other things. I'll talk about it in a minute. I put this in, I pour boiling water on top of it, and then I just close it, and I have about 350 or 400 milliliters of goodies here to drink during the day at the clinic or in school. If you really want to sweeten your drink, you can use real honey. This is, and some of my Danish friends will recognize, come from a real honey maker. Use the one that is opaque, so it's a one that hasn't been heated up and has a lot of goodies, and I just sprinkle a few drops if I feel that it needs to be sweet a little bit. What do they do? The green tea is cooling a little bit and it's drying. I would much rather use it as the Chinese use it in the summer when you try to cool yourself. However, it does also, first of all, it is anti-cancerous, it's very good for the liver, and it's very good for dampness and phlegm, and all of us have a lot of these during the changing of the season and also in the winter, and therefore it's good. The ginger, of course, has plenty of therapeutic activities, from drying and clearing phlegm as well, to being very good for the digestive system, to have anti-cancerous properties as well, and to be moving the qi in the blood as well. And the goji berries, well, the goji berries are considered to be good for blood deficiency, so they nurture the blood. Very good for eyesight. They're very good for nourishing liver-in and kidney-in, and therefore they're good to create some balance here between the drying activity of the green tea, the drying activity and warming activity of ginger, and nourishing a little bit with the goji berries. Enjoy!